Hello everyone. Welcome to the online study session of first standard conducted by Dr. Kalpana Chawla Memorial School, that is KCMS Nashik. In this video we are going to solve exercises of this Happy Child poem. Happy Child poem हमने already पहले videos में सीखी है. We have already learned this poem. So let's start the exercises of this poem. Okay. So the first is new words. CRY cry, DAY day, RED read, SUN sun. तो ये पोएम में हमने बहुत सारे वर्ड्स सीखे हैं. उनमें से सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स आर CRY क्राई. CRY क्राई मीन्स रोना. DAY डे, डे मीन्स दिन. RED रेड, रेड मीन्स लाल कलर, लाल रंग को रेड बोलते हैं. SUN सन, सन मीन्स सूरज विच इज़ येलो इन कलर. ओके ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स मैंने आपकी नोटबुक में आपको होमवर्क के लिए दिए हैं. तो विल सी इट लेटर इन दिस वीडियो. ओके द नेक्स्ट इज लेट्स रीड. लेट्स रीड. सो व्हाट इज हियर? THE the, SUN sun. The sun word we already have seen here. And here what girl says, to shade me from the sun. She has a green tree which shades her from the sun. Okay, so the same word is coming here. The sun shines in the sky. Shines means chamakna, like twinkle stars. So the sun shines in the sky. You also repeat with me. The sun shines in the sky. SKY sky. Alright, the next sentence is I have a red pen. RED red. Here is the same word RED red, and also the girl's house's color is red, which we have already seen. Okay, so here what's there in the let's read section? The sun shines in the sky and I have a red pen. Alright, now let's turn the page. What's there here? Read and match the words with the pictures. Draw a line. What we have to do here? Pictures are there and spellings are written here, words are written here. This is the picture of a boy. He is a boy. BOY boy. So here boy spelling is written here, boy word is written here, so we have to match them. We have to draw a line like this. And GIRL girl, this is the picture of a girl. Here it is written I am a girl. So we have to join this girl word with this picture. Okay, now let's see the next. Fun with colors. Fill in the box with the right color. Okay, the first is what is the color of the happy child's house? We all know that the happy child's house color is red, so you have to fill this rectangle with red color. Okay, what is the color of your house? So you have to fill in this rectangle with the color of your house. Okay, the next move ahead. What is the color of the tree? The color of the tree is green, so we will fill in this rectangle with green color. What is the color of the sun? The sun's color is yellow, so we will give yellow color over here. Alright, then the next section is let's talk. Is there a tree growing near your house? Do you have any tree near your house which is growing? So tell us about it, and when school will start we'll discuss it again, but you can tell your father, your mother, your friends. Alright, tell us about the tree. Is it big or small? You have to tell it whether it is big or small. The tree is big or small. And what next is, do you like the tree? Do you like the tree? Alright, yes, very good. What is the name of the tree? So you need to tell the name of the tree also. Alright, now next see the page number 3. Let's share. What is there in this section? Let's see. There are many kinds of houses. Circle the ones you have seen. So here are the pictures of 4 houses, 1 2 3 4. You have to circle those houses which you already have seen. So here is HUT, hut. If you have seen this hut, then trace on these dots and complete the circle. Okay, the next is igloo, IGLOO, igloo. Igloo is the house made up of blocks of ice, hard ice. So if you have seen it, then circle it. The third picture is of a building wherein it is written as flat. Houses in the buildings are called as flats. So if you have seen these flats, then trace on these dotted lines and circle it. The last is BUNGALOW, that is bungalow. If you have seen any bungalow, then trace on these dotted lines and make a circle. All right, so let's move ahead. The next is let's draw. Here is a place for you to draw. What you need to draw? Draw your house here and talk about you. Here are the rectangle drawn with the dotted lines. You have to draw your house here, and when school will start, we all will talk about it. All right, let's move ahead. How do you feel? How do you feel? This is the smiley face and this is the sad face. So what the question is there? When you get a new dress. When you get a new dress, how do you feel? Happy or sad? Happy is written here, so you need to draw a smiley here. So complete this circle. Eyes are already drawn, so you need to draw a happy smile. All right, the next is when you get hurt. How do you feel when you get hurt? We feel sad, so here we have to draw a sad face like this. All right, when you share your things with your friends, with anyone, so how you will feel when you share your things with your friend? You will feel that you have helped someone, so you will obviously feel happy. So you have to write the word happy here and draw a smiley. And the last is when you are ill. So when you are sick, when you are ill, you are in pain, so you will feel sad. So here you will write SAD, sad, and here you will draw a sad face. जब आप बीमार होते हो तो आपको कैसे लगता है? सैड लगता है, तो यहाँ पे आपको सैड लिखना है. जब आप आपकी कोई चीज़ें किसी से शेयर करते हो तो आपको कैसा अच्छा लगेगा, तो आपको यहाँ पे हैप्पी फेस ड्रॉ करना है और यहाँ पे HAPPY हैप्पी स्पेलिंग लिखना है. ऑल राइट, नाउ लेट्स टर्न द पेज. व्हाट्स हियर? ड्रॉ lines from the house to the people who live in your home. तो यहाँ पे हाउस है जिसको माई होम कहा गया है, मीन्स इट्स योर हाउस. सो हियर पिक्चर्स आर देयर ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल. सो दोज हु आर देयर इन योर हाउस, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइन लाइक ग्रैंडफादर. अगर आपके घर में ग्रैंडफादर है तो आपको ये पिक्चर को आपके हाउस से कनेक्ट करना है लाइक दिस. अगर ग्रैंड मदर है तो ये पिक्चर को आपको हाउस से कनेक्ट करना है. सेम विल गो विथ फादर, मदर, सिस्टर एंड ब्रदर. अगर आपके घर में इनमें से जो भी लोग हैं आप उनको हाउस से कनेक्ट कर देना. ऑल राइट, तो लेट्स मूव अहेड. द हियर क्वेश्चन इज ट्रेस द नंबर्स ऑन द डॉटेड लाइन्स. हियर एज वी नो it is a standing line, that is 1, but we have to follow the directions also. Here the arrow is going from top to down, up to down. So आपको भी ऐसे ही ट्रेस करना है इन डायरेक्शंस के मुताबिक. all right, it is 1. So here you will trace 2 like this, here 3 like this. Follow these directions. all right, so spelling of 3 is THREE3. Here slanting line, slipping line, standing line. FOUR 4. Here slipping line, slanting line and curve, that is 5. FIVE 5. Here is 6, so trace on it. all right, now the next question is हाउ मैनी पीपल लिव इन योर हाउस, आपके घर में कितने लोग रहते हैं. Write here the number. So you will write the number. Suppose 4 people are there, then you will write 4 number here and also write the spelling FOUR here. People live in my house. All right. Then the next section is sing. Sing, we will sing in the class, but you can practice it. Jack in the box sits so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. All right. You can practice it at home. All right, then next page, it is join the dotted lines. You have to join the dotted lines. This is a clockwise curve. Clockwise curve, you have to follow the directions. Arrows are here, so it is a clockwise curve. And these are anti-clockwise curves. They are going like this, so they are anti-clockwise curves. And these are the circles. You have to trace on it. It's going like this, so it is a anti-clockwise circle. Okay, so you have to write here B, C, O, O, A. So trace all things here. And in this big circle, what you have to do, look in a mirror. आपको mirror में देखना है. What do you see? Obviously you will see your face. आपको आपका face दिखेगा. ड्रॉ योर फेस इन दिस सर्कल. तो आपको जैसा आपका फेस दिख रहा है आपको वैसे ड्रॉ करना है. ऑल राइट, देन लेट्स मूव अहेड. व्हाट इज हियर? सो हियर द क्वेश्चन इज collect pictures of a cat, a cow, a dog and a sheep from old books or newspapers and paste them below. So here space is there. You have to collect these pictures: cat, cow, dog and sheep. And if you don't get this picture, then don't worry, just draw these pictures on your own. The pictures are already here. You can refer this page, and if you don't get any of the pictures, you can draw it. अगर आपको ये pictures नहीं मिलते तो आप उनको simply draw कर दीजिए आपके हाथ से. All right. Then the next section is trace over the dotted lines and complete the monkey's tail. Here we can see the dotted lines. आपको इन पे ट्रेस करना है एंड ये मंकी की टेल को कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, इट्स लाइक दिस. सो आपको ये कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, एंड द लास्ट सेक्शन इज पेज नंबर 7. पेज नंबर 7. The following have lost their babies. These are the animals standing out of this circle. And here the small babies are there. Young ones are there inside this circle. So these animals have lost their babies. ये सारे जो animals खड़े हैं उनके babies lost हो गए हैं, खो गए हैं. तो आपको उनको मिलाना है. Okay. Trace along the maze using different colors and find them. One has been done for you. Okay, तो already cat को उन्होंने book में वे फाइंड किया है ऐसे. तो आपको इसके ऊपर ट्रेस करना है और कैट के यंग वन से इसे मिलाना है. यंग वन मीन्स बेबी. तो कैट के बेबी को बोलते हैं किटन. KITTEN, किटन. डॉग, यंग वन ऑफ डॉग इज पपी. तो आपको यहाँ पे पपी कहाँ दिखाई देगा? सो हियर इज पपी. ओके, नो सॉरी, हियर इज पपी. सो यू विल फाइंड अ वे. आपको यहाँ से रास्ता निकालना है और अलग अलग कलर से ये हर एक एनिमल के बेबी को आपको मिलाना है. काऊ, लिटिल वन ऑफ काऊ इज कॉल्ड एज काफ. CALF, काफ. लिटिल वन ऑफ बटरफ्लाई इज कॉल्ड एज कैटरपिलर. CATERPILLAR. कैटरपिलर इज दिस इज कैटरपिलर. सो आपको यहाँ से वे फाइंड करना है बटरफ्लाई तक. Small one of kangaroo is called as joy. Kangaroo's baby is called as a joy. So आपको यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है जहाँ पे भी joy है वहाँ से उसकी मम्मा तक उसको मिलाना है. ओके, the little one of lion is cub. CUB, cub. So find the cub and make a way to go to its mother. Okay, and the last one is duck. DUCK, duck. The small one of baby, young one of baby is called as a duckling. DUCKLIN, duckling. यहाँ पे आपको find करो and उनको उनकी मम्मी से connect करो. All right, then solve these exercises. In the next video I will show you the next exercises which are in the workbook, and we will complete our 4-line notebook of this subject. Okay, bye bye then, till then.